Alright friends, this is the last time you're gonna see Big Ugly looking like this on this side.
Hi, we're Ben and Ange. We grew up together and quickly became best friends. Sadly, some of life's painful moments caused us to go our separate paths for a while. But then 2020 happened. We realized we were better together and got married again to each other. With our 2 kids, we are off on adventures, we're creating, we're exploring, and we're building our adventure. Follow along.
I was out at the salvage yards this weekend and I was grabbing, a bunch of plastic trim pieces that are busted or missing for the van that just make it nicer. And I found this nice RV style window. This was it was a Dodge van actually, but it was a conversion van where it had, it was professionally converted into a travel van. So these are aftermarket windows that are just kind of a universal fit. They bolt up just like a window in an RV would. How it has this flange here that's screwed into the backside. So basically, I got to cut a hole right here, plop the window in, put that frame from the backside, screw it down, and it's installed. These wall ribs, I guess they're going to be called, this one's got to come out and that one's got to come out. But before I do anything, I've got to take that window and make a template for the hole I'm going to cut. Today's Memorial Day. It's the morning and we have been invited to a barbecue for lunch with a couple people from my kids' school, and the kids are looking forward to playing in the pool, and so that's going to be a fun day. So I'm going to get everything ready on the van before the barbecue, and then when I get back, hopefully I'll be ready to cut the hole and plop the window in and get this project wrapped up this afternoon. To get these rails out, rails, ribs, whatever they are, they're really only held on, if you look closely, I don't know if you guys can even see, right here, that little indentation, that's a spot weld. And then it looks like 1, 2 down here, I don't know if anything's connected down there. So I might have to cut this off right here and right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling these spot welds out. Some people grind them out. I'm just going to drill them out. I think that's going to be the easiest, fastest way for me to do it with the tools that I have. There's a spot weld right here and one right here. I've got a drill bit set up in my drill that is way larger than it needs to be, but I'm trying not to affect this metal up here too bad. Doing my best to find the center of that spot weld. And then I'm drilling it just until it looks like it's gone through that first piece. Taking a flathead screwdriver and getting behind it. And I didn't drill that far enough, but it looks like I can break it off. I just got one more on here, and then the top of this will be completely separated. Turns out that they put these in before they put the skin on the outside of the van. So yes, it was welded here and here, but I've drilled those out. However, it's welded behind here to the floor, and I think these are going to be welded down below there. I'm just going to cut the bottom off and call it done. Should be able to get this off the wall. Just like that. Perfect. I found this so satisfying. Alright friends, well I am back from the barbecue. I've got a haircut, which is nice clean shirt. But I'm back at my project. So I got my cardboard template. I did make a couple marks on the van for the height. And I'm going to lay the cardboard template up there, trace it out, and start cutting. Well, there's a big hole in the side of the van. There's only one problem. The window doesn't quite fit. It's on the good side though. I just need to trim it a little bit more along the bottom and maybe the bottom of this edge a little bit. And then it should fit fine. The window fits in the hole. I'm going to pull it back out and touch the paint up because I was a little rough with the saw. But I'll touch the paint up, give it a little while to dry up, and then we'll stick it in for real. Alright friends, well the window is all the way installed. Angie, what are your thoughts?
I like how it is tented. I wasn't expecting it to have a tent to it.
It went in pretty smoothly. I mean, if you had bought it new, you would have got a nice template that was already made and perfect. So I had to make a template and then I had to go back and make the hole a little bit bigger, make it fit, but I'm glad I cut it smaller instead of too big. So,
now it's all ready to go.
Yeah, now we're ready to go. I mean, I really like the way it looks. I mean, it looks like it's meant to be there. So it doesn't stand out or anything. And also, this slides forward and there's a screen inside there. If, I don't know, if we ever wanted it open when we were out camping or something. Get some fresh air without fresh mosquitoes. Other than that, if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. We've got links to some of the tools we use down below. Obviously, I can't link the window because it was secondhand.
But tools, our camera equipment, sometimes my outfits if you're lucky. In our description box below, we have lots of helpful links, and one of the wind is not making this easy. Hold on.
In the description below, we have
a link that allows you to buy us a coffee. I'm using air quotes because it is a metaphorical coffee. What that does is it allows you to tangibly support our build efforts, our travel efforts. I think a coffee is $5, I think. And again, it's not a real coffee. You can call it a soda or a bowl of cereal, whatever you want. But anyway, that's in the description box below. All of our other info is down below. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you. You make the world go round. Namaste.
Alright, y'all. We're getting there. Be sure you subscribe so you can see our upcoming videos.